The Toyota Camry. Love it or hate it, it's the best daily driver you can buy. Not the most exciting, not the most luxurious, not the... Think about it. The Camry has been America's best-selling sedan for over 2 decades. 2 decades. That's not luck. But before we dive into why the Camry is unstoppable, if you love real car talk, hit that subscribe button right now. We're building a community of smart car buyers.
Every video we drop is pure value. No fluff, no affiliate nonsense, just honest information about cars that will change how you think about daily driving.
Welcome back. Today we're breaking down the Toyota Camry and explaining why it's the single best daily driver you can buy.
Let's start with the obvious, reliability. The Camry has a V6 engine option and a 4-cylinder engine. The transmission? 8-speed automatic. No CVT nonsense. No dual clutch headaches. The chassis? Rigid and responsive. The suspension? Tuned for comfort and stability. The brakes? Toyota's. But here's where the Camry really separates itself. Comfort. You're spending 2 to 4 hours a day in this car. The Camry seat is one of the best in the business.
The interior quality is exceptional for a mainstream sedan. Soft-touch plastics, nice stitching.
Climate control is excellent. Seats heat and cool in many trims. Separate climate zones. Efficient air conditioning that actually works. Then there's fuel efficiency. The 4-cylinder Camry gets around 28 to 32 miles per gallon depending on driving conditions. Compare this to luxury brands. A BMW, Mercedes, Audi all cost 2 to 3 times more to maintain. Camry parts cost half as much. Camry labor costs half as much. Resale value? Excellent. Camrys hold their value better than almost any other sedan.
Practicality. The trunk is spacious. The rear seat is accommodating for passengers. There's decent rear legroom. The cabin has enough storage.
But here's the real secret. The Camry is boring, and that's exactly why it's the best daily driver. You don't want drama in your daily driver. No weird electrical gremlins. No transmission hesitation. No engine knocks, no suspension clunks, no. Now, which generation of Camry should you buy? If you're shopping new, the 2024 and 2025 models are exceptional. The current generation started in 2018. Now, which generation of Camry should you buy? If you're shopping new, the 2024 and 2025 models are exceptional.
Older generations work too. A 2015 to 2017 Camry is still incredibly reliable. Similar driving experience, slightly different interior.
Avoid anything older than 2015 unless it's been exceptionally maintained. Avoid V6 models with over 100,000 miles and legends. Compared to the Honda Accord, the Civic's bigger brother, the Camry is more comfortable. Compared to the Nissan Maxima, the Camry is more... The Camry fills a sweet spot that no other car occupies. It's too practical to be called luxury. It's too reliable. So who should buy a Camry? Anyone who drives more than 20,000 miles per year. Anyone who wants low maintenance costs. The Camry is not for someone who wants a sports car. Not for someone who needs cutting-edge design. Not for someone who wants to turn heads. But if you value time, money, and peace of mind, if you want a car that starts every single morning, if you want low repair bills, it will get you there every single day for the next 150,000 miles. And it will cost less to own than almost anything else. If this video changed how you think about daily drivers, smash that like button. Subscribe for honest car reviews that actually matter. Drop a comment telling me your daily driver.